going to start opening this PR package from Pop Beauty. So inside it says Pop Beauty there. And then I'm going to take out the tissue paper and such. It has a little card, tells you what you get. You get the 24K face base. You get the eye magnet primer. You get the Pop Portfolio eyeshadow palette. You get the 4 ink outliner. You get the Setting 101 spray. And then you get the Makeup Magnet Mist. So the Setting 101 is not a spray. The Setting 101 is a Velvet Matte Finishing Touch Brightening Highlighting Palette. And a Makeup Magnet Mist is the 6th thing that you get in here. Let's start with the 24K Face Base Radiant Blurring Primer. If you get close to it, as I shake it up, there's like little bitty gold specks in it. I don't know if you can see that. See what it looks like. I'm going to shake it up really good. First, I'm going to test it out on my hand. See how it sprays. So I don't spray myself in the face. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. It just smells more like a perfumey smell, but not too strong. Like, it smells clean. So I'm going to go in and use this on my face. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation on top of that. I think I like it, and it's definitely very cute packaging, and I love the details on the front. It's super cute. The next we're going to use is the water-resistant eyeshadow primer. Hold your shadows in place for 16 hours. This is the Eye Magnet Primer. This is the Eye Magnet Primer. It creates a perfect airbrushed canvas and intensifies the color of your shadow. This retails for $26 and this retails for $16. Ooh, I love that packaging. It is so cute. Okay, so you just have to twist it and you put it right on top of your eye. It's kind of a thick consistency, and I like that. Since this is Pop Beauty, I think I'm going to use some really bright colors. Just using a fluffy blendy brush from Urban Decay. I'm going to first go in with this shimmery toppy color. Just going to blend into my crease. That Eye Magnet Primer is grabbing this color and just, it looks beautiful. We're going with this pink shade that we have right here. I'm literally going to put that all over my outer corner. I'm going to take this gold color that's right here. I'm going to just put that in the center of my eye. I'm going to take the color, this dark color right here, dark brown. Just going to shade under my eye. I'm going to go in with the ink outliner, eyeliner, and I'm going to do my eyeliner. Shake it up. This is what it looks like. And it has a felt tip. Haven't used one like this in a long time, so this is going to be very interesting. Alright, now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to go into the Setting 101. This is a sheer velvet matte finishing touch to set, brighten, and highlight while prolonging your makeup wear. I'm going to start the translucent powder, and I'm going to set all of my face. The banana powder is sets and creates and corrects redness and lightens. So this right here, I'm going to use on the outer of my cheeks. My chin. It says to use it above my brow. Wasn't any big changes there. I'm gonna use another fluffy brush for the peach one, and I'm gonna use that under my eyes. Okay, so that was easy. I'm going to go in with my own bronzer. I don't have a lipstick in this box, so I'm going to use the Melted Matte Too Faced, and this is in the color It's Happening. And I'm just going to make my lips pop. Alright guys, so this is the end of my Pop Beauty video. Thank you so much. I added some extra products in here from other brands because I didn't get like lipstick, I didn't get eyebrow stuff, and I didn't get mascara, so I used the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. But this was a fun video to do. Thank you so much for Pop Beauty for sending me these products. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell and get that notification, guys. I will see you all in my next video. See you. Bye.